Hello everyone. Today my topic is loudspeaker. Loudspeaker is a transducer which converts electrical signal of audio frequency into the sound wave of the same frequency. Its characteristics is different of microphone. It is the output device whereas microphone is the input device. Loudspeaker have some characteristics. It should have high sensitivity. It has high signal to noise ratio. It has low distortion. It has proper impedance matching and it should have ideal frequency response. This is the moving coil loudspeaker. We are going to explain about moving coil loudspeaker and this is the structural block diagram of moving coil loudspeaker. Now we are going to discuss about the working principle of moving coil loudspeaker. A voice coil is placed in a uniform magnetic field. When audio current passes through the voice coil, there is an interaction between the magnetic field and the current, resulting in a force working on this movable coil. Force on the coil due to the interaction between the current through the coil and the magnetic field is given by F is equal to BLI sin alpha, where F is the force and B is the flux density, L is the length of the coil, I is the current in ampere and alpha is the angle between the coil and the field. Generally, we consider alpha is equal to 90 degrees, so F is equal to BLI. Now, we consider the construction of the moving coil loudspeaker. The main part of this loudspeaker are magnet, voice coil, conical diaphragm. This uses a permanent magnet leaving central south pole, peripheral north pole. To give strong magnetic field, the magnet is made of spherical type of magnetic material where aluminium is equal to 10%, nickel is equal to 18%, cobalt is equal to 12%, copper is equal to 6% and ferrous is equal to 54%. The frequency response of moving coil loudspeaker is flat. The frequency response range is 200 to 5000 Hz. It has some advantages. The advantages are they are very small and very cheap. The main disadvantages are it has poor efficiency and it has very low frequency. The main application of this loudspeaker are it is used as radio receiver, TV receiver and all other audio equipment. Now we are discussing about buffers. Buffers is the technique to recover the low frequency of sound. Sound wave in back are out of the phase 180 degree with respect to the sound wave front. If these two sound waves meet together, then this will cancel each other and causing intensity of sound drop. This is more pronounced at low frequency. So to save the low frequency from attenuation, it is necessary to increase the path difference using a physical barrier. This is known as the buffers. There are two kinds of buffers, finite buffers and infinite buffers. Finite buffers causes some loss audio frequency signal due to the diffraction, and in infinite buffers it has infinite lateral dimension. Now we are going to discuss about the enclosure. Enclosure is nothing but the loudspeaker which is mounted in a closed box with an opening in the front. The box serves the purpose of the finite buffet because the wave from the back of the cone will not be able to come to the front side. The solid timber is not good to make the enclosure. The box must be airtight. The hole for loudspeaker cone should be cut accurately. The enclosure has the three characteristics. One is the woofer, one is the squeaker and one is the tweeter. The frequency range of the woofer is 16 Hz to 500 Hz and the squeaker is 500 Hz to 5000 Hz and the tweeter is more than 5000 Hz. Thank you everyone to watch this video. If you have any query, then free to contact.